Guys, I'm Brandon, and this is my 2011 bike check. Alright, I have a 2011 Stolen Heist frame, 20.75. I have animal bars, 28 wide. I have a Shadow Conspiracy custom painted headset stem. I have an Animal integrated headset. I have Odyssey S2 director forks. I have a Sputnik forward front rim with a Stolen hub custom painted. And again, I have the Stolen Heist frame custom painted. The team I ride for, Profile Racing. And I have a scavenger sticker. And then down at the bottom I have Eastern mid bottom bracket. Premium 1948 cranks. Stolen Class A 24 sprocket. Stolen Thermalite pedals. Mechanic half-length white chain. A Fit pivotal seat. The custom cover. Stolen Thermalite seat post. Fit FAS 2.3 in the back, 2.3 up front, white walls. Odyssey hazard light back rim with a Stolen hub custom painted. And yeah, that's my bike check. Here's my hub sign. Alright. Rate,